Hello everyone, welcome back. What if I told you that the secret to stronger muscles, sharper memory, and longer independence after age 60 could be hiding in your morning cup of coffee? Sounds unbelievable, right? But after 20 years of studying senior health and nutrition here in the United States, I can tell you, the science behind coffee and aging is far more exciting than most people realize. I am a nutritionist specialist who has spent the last 2 decades working with older adults across the U.S. to improve strength, brain function, and energy through simple dietary changes. In my research, I've seen thousands of seniors regain vitality and confidence, sometimes through something as simple as adjusting what they put in their morning coffee. Today, I'll share 8 incredible powders you can safely add to your daily coffee that help your body fight muscle loss, protect your joints, and even support a longer, more active life. And stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal which single powder delivers the most powerful anti-aging benefits when combined with coffee. You won't want to miss it. But first, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend or loved one over 60. You never know whose health you might change today. Now, before we talk about the powders, let's look at coffee itself. Many people worry that coffee is bad for older adults, that it raises blood pressure or causes dehydration. But in reality, multiple studies from Harvard Johns Hopkins and the National Institute on Aging have shown that moderate coffee intake, about 1 to 3 cups a day, is actually linked with better brain health, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, and even a longer lifespan. The key, though, is what you put in your coffee. Adding sugar or processed creamers can undo the benefits. But the right natural powders can supercharge your coffee, turning it into a nutrient-rich elixir that supports healthy aging. So, let us count down the top 8 best powders to add to your coffee that can actually help restore muscle strength, support your joints, and slow down age-related decline. Let's count down from number 8 all the way to number 1. And trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. Let's start with one that most of you probably already have in your kitchen. Number 8, cinnamon. This warm, aromatic spice doesn't just make your coffee smell amazing. It actually has powerful effects on blood sugar and inflammation, 2 key factors that affect muscle health as we age. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use sugar more efficiently. That means less sugar gets stored as fat and more is used as energy. Energy your muscles need to stay active and strong. Cinnamon also contains antioxidants that protect your muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of age-related muscle loss. Imagine you add just half a teaspoon of cinnamon to your morning coffee. Over time, that small change can help stabilize your blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support better muscle function, especially when paired with regular movement. Use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, for the highest purity and the lowest amount of coumarin, a compound that can stress the liver if consumed in excess. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons to your coffee grounds before brewing, and enjoy the subtle, comforting sweetness without extra sugar. Next up is something that might make your coffee taste like dessert. Number 7, cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. But we're not talking about sugary hot chocolate. We're talking about pure cocoa, rich in flavanols, natural compounds that boost circulation and fight inflammation. Research from Harvard Medical School found that cocoa flavanols improve blood flow to muscles and the brain. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, helping them recover faster and stay strong. Cocoa also supports mitochondrial health, those tiny power stations inside your cells that produce energy. As we age, mitochondria slow down, but cocoa flavonols help keep them active and youthful. Think of your muscles like a garden. Without good circulation, it's like watering your plants with a leaky hose. But with cocoa flavonols, that hose becomes strong again, delivering what your muscles need to thrive. Use 1 teaspoon of 100% unsweetened cocoa powder in your coffee. You can mix it directly into your cup or blend it with a little milk for a smooth, mocha-style flavor. Avoid sweetened cocoa mixes. They'll cancel out the benefits with added sugar. Number 6 is for those who want more energy and focus in the morning. Coconut oil or MCT oil. These oils are rich in medium-chain triglycerides, a special type of fat that's easily turned into ketones, a clean-burning fuel for both your brain and muscles. As we age, our bodies don't use glucose, sugar, as efficiently for energy. That's one reason many seniors feel sluggish or mentally foggy. MCTs bypass that system and give you instant, sustained energy without spiking blood sugar. They also support muscle preservation by encouraging fat burning instead of muscle breakdown, especially during fasting or light exercise. Picture this. Instead of that mid-morning crash after a sugary breakfast, you add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil to your coffee. Suddenly, you've got steady energy for hours, your focus sharpens, and your muscles get the fuel they need to stay strong. Start small, just 1 teaspoon of MCT oil at first, and work up to 1 tablespoon if tolerated. Blend it into your coffee for a smooth, creamy texture. Avoid adding it to very hot coffee without stirring; it may separate. Number 5 is a familiar one, milk or soy milk. If you're lactose sensitive, soy milk. While it may seem simple, this combo is powerful. Milk adds high-quality protein, calcium, and vitamin D, all essential for muscle repair and bone strength. Older adults often experience a condition called anabolic resistance, meaning the muscles don't respond to protein as efficiently, but adding even a small amount of protein-rich milk to your coffee can help overcome that barrier. Soy milk is a great alternative. It contains isoflavones, which have been shown to support bone health and muscle maintenance in postmenopausal women. Imagine swapping your black coffee for a café au lait made with soy milk. That one change gives your muscles a protein boost every morning. A simple way to start rebuilding strength without even thinking about it. Use unsweetened milk or soy milk and aim for 8 to 10 grams of protein per serving. Warm it before mixing for a smooth, creamy coffee experience. Coming in at number 4 is collagen powder, a supplement that exploded in popularity in recent years. Most people think of collagen for skin or joints, but it is also a key component of muscle tissue. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to weaker connective tissues, slower recovery, and muscle stiffness. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition found that older men who combined collagen supplementation with light resistance exercise gained more muscle mass and strength than those who exercised alone. That's because collagen provides glycine and proline, amino acids that help repair connective tissue and support muscle recovery. If your knees ache when you walk or you notice stiffness after gardening, adding collagen powder to your coffee could help ease that discomfort while also helping your muscles rebuild. Use hydrolyzed collagen peptides. They dissolve easily in hot coffee and have no taste. 1 to 2 scoops a day is perfect for most seniors. Combine it with gentle resistance exercises for the best results. Now we're moving into powerhouse territory. Number 3, whey protein powder. Whey is one of the best sources of leucine, an amino acid that directly signals your body to build muscle. As we age, our ability to trigger muscle growth declines, but whey helps restart that process. Research from Tufts University showed that older adults who consumed 25 to 30 grams of whey protein daily, especially around breakfast or after exercise, experienced greater muscle retention and strength than those who didn't. Adding whey to coffee is a simple, delicious way to meet your daily protein needs, especially if your appetite isn't what it used to be. Let us say you add 1 scoop of vanilla whey to your morning coffee. Now you've got a warm, protein-packed drink that supports your muscles, bones, and metabolism all at once. Look for whey isolate, low in lactose, and mix 1 scoop into hot coffee using a blender or frother. You'll get about 20-25 grams of protein per serving. If you prefer plant-based, try pea protein as an alternative. Number 2 on our list might surprise you. Number 2, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are one of nature's most nutrient-dense foods, packed with plant protein, omega-3 fats, and soluble fiber. Omega-3s are crucial for reducing inflammation and preserving muscle mass. Chia also contains alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which your body can convert into the same beneficial fats found in fish oil. Plus, the fiber in chia helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing the energy crashes that often make older adults feel fatigued. If you mix 1 teaspoon of ground chia seeds into your coffee, it thickens slightly, like a smooth latte, while delivering nutrients that support your heart, brain, and muscles all at once. Use ground chia seeds for easier digestion and nutrient absorption. Mix them into warm coffee or blend with milk for a creamy texture. Avoid whole seeds unless you drink plenty of water. They absorb liquid quickly. And finally, the number 1 powder to add to your coffee. Number 1, turmeric with black pepper, the anti-inflammatory power duo. This golden spice is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories in the world. Its active compound, curcumin, helps reduce chronic inflammation, the silent enemy behind muscle loss, fatigue, and joint pain. Studies from the Journal of Gerontology show that chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle with age. Curcumin helps block those inflammatory signals, protecting muscle fibers from breakdown. But here's the secret. Curcumin on its own isn't absorbed well. That's why black pepper, which contains piperine, is so important. It increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Imagine adding a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to your morning coffee. Over time, that golden cup could help soothe sore joints, support recovery, and slow the aging process from the inside out. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tiny pinch of black pepper into your coffee grounds before brewing, or blend it with milk for a golden latte. For extra smoothness, add a touch of honey or cinnamon. Now let's quickly recap the 8 most powerful powders to add to your coffee for strength, mobility, and longevity. Turmeric plus black pepper fights inflammation and supports joint health. Chia seeds provides omega-3s and stabilizes energy. Whey protein rebuilds and preserves muscle. Collagen powder strengthens joints and skin. Milk or soy milk adds protein and calcium. Coconut, MCT oil, boosts brain and energy. Cocoa powder improves circulation and mood. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and reduces inflammation. When used together over time, these natural additions help keep your legs stronger, joints more flexible, and energy levels higher, supporting your independence and confidence well past age 60. If you've watched this far, congratulations. You were taking real steps to care for your body in the best years of your life. But remember, this information is for educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for medical advice. Everyone's health situation is unique, so please consult your doctor before making any major dietary changes. Think of your morning coffee as more than a habit. It can be a daily opportunity to feed your body what it truly needs to stay strong, mobile, and mentally sharp. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more seniors discover this content. Subscribe for weekly videos on healthy aging, nutrition, and longevity. And share this video with a friend or family member because everyone deserves to feel strong and vibrant at any age. And now, tell me in the comments, which powder are you most excited to try in your coffee tomorrow morning?
Thank you for coming in today, and I'll see you at your next appointment.